recording.
Alright.
Alright, so
this is his Ford.
Check oil on my I.D.I, and we got to get the water pump fixed before I actually legitly run it too much. And change oil like Pup Dog says. We'll do it when we get to it. I tell you, this year we're not going to change the water pump because it's too darn cold. See, water pump okay? No. But we're going to start it. Let's see if there's air in the fuel. Yes, there is. That's why I don't run. Warming up the cold plugs. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Injection pump that way. Anybody was wondering why it runs terrible. That's what we did. The battery actually started, but the batteries are not new. They're 2013 and 2010. One Octama and one acid battery. Brand new injectors. Third belt on there because the water pump's out on it. New radiator. 2001, no joke. They're still holding there. I don't know how. But, no garden up yet. I let it rain in the sun. Oh well.
This is a little rusty. No big deal.
Look at that. Tack is even working. Now you hear that squealing, that's the water pump going on. So the faster the RPM goes, if the bearing let loose, the fan will go through the radiator and wreck your $400 brand new radiator. So that's the reason why it's not being run. And here's the water pump right here, guys. 20-pound water pump playing right here. I gotta put that on myself, and somebody says it's really a pain to put the thermostat in there. Gasket and everything on the instructions. So that'll be done next year. Got about because I don't want no water pump going through the radiator and the fan, but we will get this going, and even the power windows work. And even the radio works, but I can't play radio on YouTube. Kind of sucks. So yeah.
Mint.
Mint.